Hello student, today we are going to start with lesson number 18, Means of Communication and Advertisement, Social Science, Standard 7th. As we know that man is a thinking social animal, intelligence is the most important gift he has received from God. When man feels fear, happiness, sorrow, etc., then he tries to express. Express means show it or say it. He enhance. Enhance means increase happiness by sharing his happiness with others, while lighten sorrow means reduce sadness by sharing it. Elaborate means detailed system of sending or receiving informations or messages from one place to another place is called a communication system or communication media. In the earlier times, the message was sent by beating drums, signaling by fire or smoke, waving flags, shouting loudly, or by drawing pictures and signs, that is, signal. Thus, the development of hieroglyphics means symbols might have started with language and the messages would have been conveyed. Conveyed means transport that way. Sometimes birds and animals were used to deliver the message. Initially means at first, the means of transportation were the means of communications. Over the time, printing press, post office, telephone, mobile phone, fax, satellite, and internet have made communication much faster and easier. Communication has made significant means remarkable or important contribution for the development in the field of science and technology. The world has become smaller from the aspects means from the point or situation of time due to the means of communication. The modern communication system has turned the whole world into a global village, means universal village. At present, economic means a money making development is based on modern communication system. We have become capable to see many live events. Events means incident taking place on the surface of the earth or in space. Along with the economic, social, political and cultural development of the country, the communication system plays an important role in maintaining national unity and integrity. Integrity means honesty. In a vast country like India, management of natural disasters like floods, droughts, earthquake, cyclone, tsunami, etc. And man-made disasters are not possible without properly developed communication system. Now we will study about postal system. The written message has taken place of earlier symbolic or verbal message, means expressed or stated message. Postal system emerged means appear or came out of this. Modern postal service started in 1854 AD in India. People living far away started sending letters to their relatives, friends, or government office. Merchants means sailor or shopkeeper also started their trade means business, through letters. It provides facility to send letters, greeting cards, etc. to any corner of the world. In our country, we can send letters, inland letters, or envelopes at a very cheap rate, and we can also get a reply in a very short time. Some important letters can be sent by registered AD, money by money order, and articles by parcel. Next, we will study about telegram. Telegram means small message. The telegram was invented in 1850 AD. The first telegram service in India had started between Kolkata and Diamond Harbour, which is in West Bengal. Small messages were quickly delivered from one place to another by telegram. This was followed by the express telegram facility, which was costlier. This message was immediately received by a person. This facility has been closed in India from 13th July 2003. Next, we will study about books. Books are the storehouse of knowledge. Books have been successful in passing the knowledge, idea, achievements means success, etc., from one generation to another generation. Books promote and disseminate means spread knowledge and information. In the present time, students have to qualify. Qualify means trained for the competitive exams. Books are helpful in obtaining exam oriented. Exam oriented means a detailed study information. Trend of e-books has increased in the present time. Next, we will study about newspapers. Newspapers bring to us events. Events means incidents happening in any corner of the world, and also advertisements. Obituary. Obituary means a notice of a death. Daily astrological prediction means horoscopics forecast. Almanac. Almanac means calendar, special dates. Quatrains means poetry, etc. Many daily newspapers and magazines are published in various languages in our country. Next, we will study about radio. Radio is an audio means of communication. The programs like music, folk songs, film songs, seminar, sports, news, drama, weather news, missing persons announcement, hymns means religious song, and stories are heard on radio. In addition to this, information about disaster means natural calamities such as rain, floods, and cyclone is given. Radio facility is also available in mobile phone. Next, we will study about cinema. Cinema is also a popular means for education and entertainment. Film educate social and cultural aspects. Aspects means situation. The way of living and thinking of the people has changed through the films. People learn to fight against certain customs. Customs means traditions. Beliefs means faith or trust. Superstition means magic. Blind belief means blind faith. And doubts through cinema. Maximum films are produced in India. Next, we will study about television. Television is today's most popular audio-visual medium of communication. News of the whole world, films, serials, educational programs are presented through TV at your home. The latest news or live broadcast of various sports are seen.